po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is November, ano yan ba? 18? 17. November 17. Nasa church na kami. Si Daddy at si Naya nasa Sunday school. Try natin kung okay na siya. Okay na. Para makita kung okay siya sa ibang bata na. Cooking.
No, not little. Is that I've got Oh yeah, it is. This is down. Registering here with you, or does it have to be? Green is my favorite.
Oh, press mo daw, press. Nagkaling.
Take like if they're not like selling very well, sometimes they'll take them out. So they don't want to like have a kid, but they like they want to know that they actually made it into them. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, so green is your favorite.
When you try the one, when you try again.
Yeah. Interesting. Oh, it's a pylon. Really, really cool. A car turned into an airplane. Wait, you take an airplane and turn it into a car? Really? I could have turned it. No, okay. Very big wheels.
That's a monster guy. A poor guy.
Tissue? Let's go. $6. Okay, here's
Oh, lagay mo yung bag mo dyan. Ayun, stroller! Ay, galing naman. Where's the stroller? Andun.
Baba mo yung jacket niya doon.
Tingnan po yung pangalan mo.
That's still there.
Ilak mo ko kasi. Dito kami ngayon. Papunta kami sa mall ng Selora. From the time na bumalik kami from the Philippines, ngayon kami ulit pumunta ng Selora Mall. Kasi punta kami ng Virgin Mobile kiosk. Kasi try namin pa-cancel yung yung try mo pa-cancel de? Self? You want to see yourself? Hi ka daw. Hi! Hi! You want to see yourself? Hindi ka man nakikita. I cannot see you, naku. You're ganyan lang. Ano ka makikita? Wag mong takpan yung camera. Ayun yung camera, oh. Camera is there, oh.
So, open the elevator. Press the elevator. Whoop. Whoop.
Daddy, picture.
Picture.
Siya mag-isa, gustong pa-picture. Stand up ka! Stand up! Stand up! Picture daw sabi. Oh, there, you want to get a picture there?
Kambing yung...
Ah. Oh, look at Mamang. Look at Mamang. Come, right there.
Ay, ganda naman.
Oh, how about there? Sit over there. Sit over there. Naya. Naya. Naya.
Naya.
Naya. Naya. Okay yung dalawa. Okay na. Okay. Yan, Naya. 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 Naya, come here.
Okay, let's go.
Ito na. Papunta na kami ng Virgin. Itatanong para maalis na yung ano. Parang yun nga.
When was the last?
Aga. August or September? August na. August.
Iktad man yata? Ganon. Ganyan. Anak.
Pinapaalis mo tapos papalagay mo. Dito kami sa food court. Order si daddy ng Popeye. Bagong bukas na tindahan. Tinrain namin.
Eat ka na.
Ano ang verdict ng Popeyes dito? Manyaman. Bakit matagal ibigay ang order mo?
Bago sa lalaki.
Ganon?
Pinahalala ko pa yung order ko, kinalimutan na nga eh.
Really? May listahan man sila. Ano sabi nila?
Wala.
Kuling ka, ding chow, latik-latik sa sordan, hindi niya pa menu.
Kaya nga, ang tagal namin nagkukwentuhan, hinihintay ka namin para matapos yung kwentuhan namin. Nauna pa kami nag-stop sa kwentuhan bago kami nakuha yung order. Yun. Popeyes last week, Popeyes today.
Ayaw na? Ayaw? Ayaw. Ayaw na ka naman.
Ayaw na.
Ganon, dado. Ganon. Ito, the other way around. Ganon. Yan, ganon. Oo.
Sinaya ang ano doon. Dada. Ako po sinaya sa chair. Siya nagsabi kung gusto niya yung high chair. Pinakuhan.
Yung minta ka rin eh. Abitan eh. Oo.
Probe? Panday nga probe.
Paano buksan? Push.
Nag-thumbs up eh. Naglalaroan na yung belt.
Busog? Totoo. Busog ka. You're pretending. Paano busog? Ganun, no? Ganon. Ganon ang busog.
Yan ang bagong tindahan, Papay's. Punta muna kami ng Hudson Bay. Hanap ng long sleeve ni Janaya kung meron. Ay, maglakad na Janaya. Sa stroller na siya. Let's go, Hudson. Wala kaming nahanap sa Hudson Bay. Hinahanapan ko siya ng long sleeve sana. Kasi yung long sleeve na mga suot dyan ngayon, 380 na. Ano yan? Pinakita si Daddy. Espada. Yan ah. Tayo na lang namin sila dito sa Miss Janaya. Uwi na kami. Oras na. Na-stress na. Natulog pa si Janaya. Ano? Anong meron doon? Kabukaka na Naya ah. Kabukaka na. Akala namin nagsarado na yung mind games at saka ilawi. Lumipad lang pala sila ng pwesto.
What limit?
Mas masarap yun. Kasi sabi, mas marap ka kami.
Pero mas mura? Pero mas mura?
Marap dito eh.
Ah. Mind games. Ilawi. 30? Ano? Anong titingnan mo dito? Ha? Saan? You want the ball? Here, let me get it. I'll pick it up.
That's coffee.
Ah!
That's not real. It's plastic.
Oh, thank you. Oh, go ahead. Now you can reach it. Try it. Try it. Binabanan ako. You can try na. Yay! Oh, let's go. See Daddy. Find Daddy.
Hey there.
Hi. No. Very good. Thank you. Come, let's find Daddy. Go, Daddy. Oh, let's go with Mamang. Want to go with Mamang?
So, you get it from the bottom. Like this. Like this. Watch, watch, watch. Move. Move. Like this. See? Oh, like that. Make sense? Oh, no.
Oopsie. No, 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 no.
Thank you.
Look at that. Nice one. Laki, oh. Bago nilang location. Car. Pumunta si Daddy ng farm boy. Yun. Ano, baon namin para bukas. Isa ng tenderloin, sibuyas. Tsaka tinapay, yun lang. Kaya hindi na kami gumawa. Busy nagsa-cellphone. Sabi ko si Daddy na lang. Pero di na rin bumaba si Janaya. Time check, 3:11. Kailangan matulog na si Janaya. Mag-uwi.